Hey everyone, this is Sonia the RV DJ, and today we will be installing Rockstopperz door hinge protection film, also known as PPF for paint protection film. And this is what it looks like. And they are for the barrel hinges on your Jeep, because again, just like everything else, you can also put them up here. Anything that may get hit by a rock, chip your paint. This is a popular area for the rocks to hit and stuff, so we're going to get those installed on all the hinges on the truck. So the 4 doors, which is 8 hinges, and we'll do the 2 hood hinges, and that'll be that. So let's get to sticking. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take, and it is 3M, real 3M, also 3M, backwards, and we are going to peel off. Now they do come in 2 separate shapes. One shape has a little contour to it up here, and the other one is just a flat rectangle. So we're going to take one of these, and it's a very thick film. It's 12 millimeters thick, so and you'll feel just how thick and durable they are, and they will protect your paint. So we're going to go over here. And the short contour pieces go on the bottom, and the long rectangular pieces go on the top. And you just kind of stick them on. I'm trying to do this holding a phone at the same time. Just like that, and they wrap around just like that, and they're transparent, so you really can't see them. Make sure you get it all around. You might need something to help it get around the edge here, like that. And that's it. And then the bigger pieces, the rectangular pieces, will go up here. So we'll peel one of those off. And these are, you can put on any Jeep. The package says they're for the JL, JLU, and the Gladiator JT. For front sections of the top and bottom door hinges. And you just start in the corner, the back side of the hinge. And once it's on there, it's on there. So get it right the first time. Just like that. And there you go. You can't see them, they're transparent film, but it'll save your hinges from getting hit with the rocks. So like I said, we're going to do the door hinges, the windshield hinges, and the hood hinges. And just like that, that's it. Hi, love. How you doing?
Waiting for you so I can drill another hole.
That's my cue. So that's it. Just see how they go. You do them on all the door hinges and stuff. You can't see them. They're transparent, and it'll save your your Jeep from getting scratched up by the rocks. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.